Take a ride with us on Aberdeen, Carolina and Western Railway for a journey in time and a night of off-the-rails fun. We enjoyed a 2.5-hour train ride through Moore County, a 3-course meal, and an experience that couldn't be beat. Our journey started in a beautifully restored double-decker dome car with panoramic views of the county. Then we were escorted to the dining cars for dinner. We loved the attention to detail. Such care was taken in restoring the train. Once seated, dinner began with rolls, fresh butter, and a salad with a chef's specialty dressing. For entrees, we'd chosen grilled skirt steaks and dill-crusted grouper. For dessert, chef made coconut cake. We enjoyed our final bites as the last light of day slipped behind the trees and the train gently rocked its way back toward Aberdeen. The whole experience, from dining, scenery, and ambiance, was genuinely unforgettable. If you ever get the chance to ride along for a journey in time, take it. We'll see you on board.